Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can download and install Slack on your computer to use it, for example, to manage your team or your brand or your company and to communicate with your team members. So let's get started. Now all you need to do, guys, is head over to Google search or to launch any other web browser you currently use. I'm going to use Google Chrome, and here in the Google search type in simply Slack. And after that, guys, select the second entry, not the first one, because that is going to redirect you to monday.com, but the second one, it is at least the second entry for me. So Slack, click on it to get to their homepage. And now, guys, you can either sign up for a paid subscription plan here on Slack or try Slack for free to access at least the basic communication features and functions. We're going to talk about these in another video. So you can do that by simply clicking on Get Started here and access Slack through your web browser, so you don't need to download any application on your computer if you don't want to. To be honest, there's no download or installation process to go through. All that Slack will require from you to do is to submit your email address here, to go through a short account setup process, and once you have gone through that, you will be given access to Slack. Before you do that, though, they will ask you whether you'd like to sign up for free or for a paid subscription or membership. So I will go with the free version for demonstration purposes, and after that you will be redirected to your account on Slack through your web browser. So no application or download of application or installation of application needed. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.